fuzz, bending tone, and this is the Crate GFX 212T combo amplifier. This one has been modified. It has been circuit bent. The way it got circuit bent, well, I don't really want to open it up. The sound of the circuit bent amplifier is true to Crate and very 60s fuzz, like what they used to call acid rock fuzz, what they call Fuzz Rock fuzz, very close to that. Not sure that I have any problem with the way it sounds for the way I play. So I want to explain how it works, because this one is different. It's not like a stock one, although it has most of the features of a stock one. And it sounds fantastic, like a real Crate should. As you can see, the speakers are in great condition. There are other pictures on the site that you can look at, should you need more. And if you need more pictures, let me know. But it will give you that ripped speaker sound. And that's the beauty of having this wonderful Crate amplifier, is that you'll get that ripped speaker sound without having ripped speakers, so you can still get clean tone out of this wonderful Crate SLM product. St. Louis, Missouri, USA. So it's a great product. It's got great tone. It's got great sound. Check it out. This is my favorite setup for the clean tone. And it lets me get the loudest. I can go all the way to 10 and jam on it. Not my favorite sound on the amplifier, but you can be heard. And the digital signal processor is fantastic. It's really, really, really consistent. Almost all the way to the 10, but at that point you're pushing the speakers too much. Let's try it out and see what it sounds like. Again, this is my favorite setup for the overdrive, because it lets me get all the way to 10 with close to... I mean, at that point you are pushing the speakers. But it's pretty cool. I like it that way. If I have to go to 10. The gain is where you activate the circuit bent part of this tone sequence. So let's start with the circuit bent fuzz tone. And what you do is you raise this one. Alright, so let's leave it about there, and it gets pretty fuzzy, and it's still manageable. You can get all the way deeper and thicker and pretty consistent, because it's a Crate. This gain has a few really interesting settings, but right now we're going to drop it. And we're going to drop the reverb. We're going to leave the reverb alone. And then we're going to switch over to the second overdrive channel. And both channels are affected by the circuit bending. So let's turn this one up to 8.5. And let's take this one over the top. the foot switch circuit. I don't usually use a foot switch for the A and B on the amplifier. I use one or the other because I have all these other pedals that I use. But yeah, it's there. It sounds great. All of it. Everything else works and functions as it should. It's a fantastic sounding amp. I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Bending Tone. I'm Felipe Cortez.